If you want to create your own Galaxy avatar on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings, scroll down until you find advanced features, and let's go over here, and then scroll down again in order to choose Galaxy avatar. Here we can press on this panel here in order to create your own avatar. Here you can choose your preset, your starting point. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can also create avatar with the camera. So you will open the selfie camera. You can take a photo, and based on the photo, the phone will create the avatar for you. You can also create avatar by using an image as well. So I'm gonna just press this check in order to continue. And of course, once we continue the preset, then we can customize it further. So here we can adjust the looks like the hair, mustache, cheeks, I guess, or the shape of face actually, not cheeks, and so on and so forth. So a bunch of different options over here to go through. Then we also have style, so you can change clothes as well. You can create your own clothes apparently. So once again, bunch of options. And once you are done, you can press save over here in the top right corner. So let's press save. And after that, our avatar should be created. You can also create a new one if you want to by just choosing the plus button, which should be on the left side over here. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.